Here is a short demonstration of my project. First of all, I'm going to be logging into the system as an admin. By default, it takes us to the admin area, but I'm going to be showing the dashboard area first. Here, first we have the account balance. The user has the option to deposit fund and withdraw fund. If you choose deposit fund, user is going to be redirected to a page with all the deposit options that we have right now. If you choose one of these methods, then it's going to ask for our amount. After going to the payment, it's going to redirect us to the corresponding payment here. We're not going to be going through that now. We have the Bcash and Rocket and the bank account. If the user chooses bank account, it has a different processing fee, 1%, and additional extra fee for depositing funds. And when the user chooses next, the user will be given an instruction on how he can deposit fund into his account. After the user has added fund to his account, he has the options to go through, like he can use the balance for transfer fund. First of all, I'm going to be transferring fund. Try a non-existing user. It should fail. Try an existing user. It will go through perfectly. And the user will be redirected to a transaction history page where he can see the transaction he has made. Also, the transaction details here. It also has the option to open a dispute to this ledger. Now we are going to be showing the withdrawal method. Once the user has enough balance to withdraw fund, he has the option to withdraw fund to his desired banking method. If he chooses Bcash, he has to enter the Bcash number. If we do this, the user fund is deducted, but the status is set to pending. The admin has the option to see these pending transactions and to proceed as they want. It is updated to confirm, then the amount goes to user can see his withdrawal request has been confirmed. The dispute option, user can go in here and open up a dispute there. He can specify more described version of his problem. Dispute is then opened. The other user has the option to view the dispute here. Here he can add comment, which is updated into the system. And as for the user that has claimed for the refund, we also see the dispute update. If this doesn't go through, they can escalate it to claim. Escalate it to claim. Admin can filter through disputes with claim. He has the option to view all the recent comments, add comment, and provide a decision based on the action. He can open up a dispute, open claim. He can escalate it to claim. He can reject the transaction, which updates the dispute status as rejected, and the no transaction is updated. If the admin decides to provide satisfied, then the transaction is set to refunded, and the user account is updated. If we reload, it would be 67,629. As per the user, his account would be updated to 260 taka. For the payment request, you can request for payment from anyone. If a user already exists with this email, then he would be notified in this dashboard. If not, the user with the email account would be notified via mail of this request. Here we have the option to create merchant accounts. The user status has to be verified as business, otherwise they can request for merchant account. The merchant account basically provides them an option to accept payment on their website. Here we are going to be showing you a test form. Any user with an account or without an account will see this payment base for the merchant payment, and they can use our wallet to pay for this service, like logging into their account. It will deduct the fund from their account. We have the account verification status. The user has to be verified as per the regulation the local authorities have. The user can request for account verification from here. By default, a user account is set to unverified. He can request for updating his account as verified and business. Here we have the support area where user can open up a ticket asking for help. By default, status is set as open. The admin can see the tickets as open tickets. You can filter to them, go to that area and provide support.